Welcome back to another Animation Throwdown video. This is Colin B189. In this episode, we'll be doing match 6 of the Athletic Rumble. We ended up beating Crows Before Hose in the last round, so we get rewarded with Big Bad Wolves, the #1 guild in the game right now. So it should be pretty exciting to see how we can match up against the best of the best. And let's jump right into it. So we got Ronin 666 up first. No character, but we have our Mythic Bazooka Sharks, which we'll lead with. And I guess we'll get our crappy draw out of the way early this time. Go with Swole Francine here first. Still no character. But I think we're going to need some potential power out here, so I'm going to go ahead and put another item card down. And just get more craze on the board, hope to survive long enough to get the win. That hurts. Gaga Ball's not going to do much against that 14 bodyguard, so I'm just going to try and get a card that can survive, hopefully. Alright, play Francine, but I think it's way too little, way too late. Very frustrating. Just gonna go ahead and take the loss. Next up, we have H Dizzle G. We'll go with Millie's Trampoline. And plenty of character cards this time. Get Gaga Ball started up. Not quite a one-shot, but the gas takes care of it. And I just play Fry for the leech. And we'll be in good shape now. Just play Francine to cripple. So turn around, get a 99. Pretty happy with that. Bradger 81. Lead with the Mythic. And go with Gaga Ball here. Takes care of that. Solid option here to counter Slithin' Louise with the jab again. Hopefully the first Gaga Ball will punch slot 2. Fantastic. And clears the board. And we'll just keep playing high HP, and I think it should be over anyways. Another 99. Young Corrupts. Just keep playing Gene. Get that gas rolling. Actually, the PC here is pretty solid. And don't want to feed into that hijack, so we'll play more Gaga Ball. Okay. Should have an opportunity to leech in slot 2 the next turnaround. Actually, unless it... probably not, because we're gonna... Wait, 25, 56, yep, just enough to get the win. Got Hoogie. I'm gonna lead with the softball player Jerome with that 19 attack. Cognac Bender is a pain, but not too bad with this huge leech. playing the long drawn out battles isn't too bad for the score. Hopefully we get a good punch on slot 3 here in the start. Just what we needed. And again, couldn't have worked out any better. Anything above 90 is pretty solid against these guys, so I'm not going to complain. Con X. Okay, we got our level 4 Bazooka Sharks and our level 5 Sewer Surfer. Just absolutely obliterating that Food Addict Leela. Okay, we'll go with Sewer Surfer here again. Man, that punch is just heavy. Nothing we can do to survive right now, especially with all that Motivate out there. What a killer defense deck. I did not expect the amount of power that Badminton would be dropping on us at all. Yep, 2 losses now. Man. Even though we killed that Food Addict Leela so quick, still got out of control on us. Hell of a defense deck for Rumble, gotta say that. Warlock. I'm going to see how Softball Bill does here, because Cognac Bender has no protection against that 35 payback. And Gaga Ball to counter all that sturdy. Still has high enough gas and punch damage to break through most of that 15, or to still do solid damage after that 15 bodyguard. Go with Swole Francine here. And again, just for the cripple mostly. Okay, not terrible that our slot 3 died. Would have been pretty ugly for our score with all that gas. And just play high HP here because we should be winning, I think. Depends where the punches land. Okay, yep, we got the win. And CJ. Just kind of risky. I'll just go with Fry here. I'm so sick of these no item, no character draws, but finally we get the item. Able to take out that Furco Lois. If we can get any one of these punches to land on Softball Dale, and there we go. HP is looking pretty abysmal right now, but Softball Bill should get a leech, which it does. And then if we can get a good punch on slot 2 here to get some leech for Sewer Surfer, it might not be too terrible of a score. Actually, got up to full, just a little bit of damage on that PC. 86, okay. But yeah, you guys can see why Big Bad Wolves are the top guild in Rumble now. Just killer decks all across the board. Never an easy match. That one wasn't too bad. Got kind of lucky that it played Amy in slot 1. final match. Oh, Kim played Millie's trampoline, and Fry will have to do. That 22 punch is brutal. Just gonna play Gaga Ball, see how that works out. Still got plenty of HP on the board, so we can get the punches to go the right ways. We can heal up most of the way here. That was not the punch we wanted with Sewer Surfer. But our Gaga Ball is probably going to go down here, which it does. And we'll just put a Sewer Surfer down as a replacement. 92, solid score. So besides those 2 losses, I think we did pretty decently, but the first loss, nothing we could do about it. The second one, just way too powerful, and slot 2 just kept taking ours out. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's always fun watching the best guild in the game do its thing, and I love having the opportunity to face them. So GG you guys, and I'll be back again tomorrow with episode 7 of the Athletic Rumble.